Okay, Chiquita Murray, as it relates to weight loss and belly fat during perimenopause, how can I help trim this belly or lose weight? Chiquita, if you heard my discussion last week, going through the menopause phase, as you start to decrease your estrogen levels, estrogen is the female hormone that directs fat to your peripheral body, your hips and thighs, and basically gives you womanly curves. Whereas those levels go down, fat is now redirected to the abdomen. And a woman that's perimenopausal starts to gain about 1.5 pounds per year. And you say, well, that's not a lot. So, but between 25 and 35, that's 10 years. Now you got 15 pounds on. And between 35 and 45, you got another 15 pounds on. That's why most women in their middle ages are at least 30 pounds overweight, and the vast majority of that weight goes straight to the belly. Now, what do you do to correct that? Well, you could get hormone replacement, which will redirect the fat to the correct areas, but ideally, you want to get rid of the fat. That is where the Lipodrops Max comes in. The Lipodrops Maximum Strength formula changes the way your body metabolizes fat and allows you to metabolize fat in areas that you cannot traditionally exercise it away from, like under the chin, like across the back in the bra line area, like underneath your arms where you get those bat wings, the belly. Lose the muffin top with lipo drops is our catchphrase. So it allows you to metabolize that fat, and then our newest product, the Lipo Nights, continues fat metabolism while you're sleeping. So that product has fat burners in it, but it also has melatonin, so it helps you get a good restful night's sleep, and you burn fat literally while you're sleeping. So that process, using those two products, will optimize your fat burning, minimize the fat being deposited in your belly, and help you lose and trim that belly weight and get you where you want to go. Now, if you've got some other things going on, like with your digestion, you also might want to use the probiotics and the lipo cleanse. The lipo cleanse is not a laxative. That term cleanse has been abducted, and they use it now when they're describing laxatives. They say colon cleanse and those sorts of things. But our lipo cleanse product is a fiber product that allows you to have large, easy to pass, but totally controllable bowel movements that remove all that excess from inside your intestines so that your stomach is flat and not gassy. So you'll have a flat stomach on the inside and a flat stomach on the outside with the fat removal, and you'll obtain that look that you're trying to get without having to bind yourself with Skims or some of these other binding products that women wear that really can cause some problems with your digestion. So you don't want to put on Spanx or anything like that. Okay for one night if you're trying to go to your class reunion or something like that. But to routinely wear them can cause some problems, particularly with constipation. So fix the problem. Don't cover it up. Don't pull it in. Don't hold it in. Just do those things that I just mentioned, particularly the Lipo Drops Maximum Strength Formula. Go to the website right now. If you're tuned in now, there's always a benefit. You always get a discount by going in through this broadcast. So you can go to the website, lipodrops.com, get those products, and we can accomplish your objective. I want to hear from you in about 6 weeks. I want you to tell me, I use the products, I tried the products, this is the outcome that I had, and boy, I look wonderful. If possible, take some before and after pictures. Just take a picture straight up, picture to the side, in maybe a bathing suit, something. Use the same outfit. When you repeat taking the picture in 4 to 6 weeks, and I promise you, you will be much happier with the way that you're looking, and you will be so glad that you did those things. All right, great question.